of God. Without me, the world wouldn't have turned into generations. From the time of birth, girl is bonded in so many relations and play every role in the best of her efficiency. From the very first relation of being a daughter, sister, wife, friend, teacher and all other relations, she tries to accomplish it by keeping everyone happy without regret and appreciation. She is an ocean of patience, emotions and feelings. Girls are precious gifts like birds, brook and streams. No matter what the moment, a girl will always render sunshine in your life. A change in mindset of the people is needed. They should consider girls as gifts from God and not curse. Please save girl child. बेटी है तो कल है.
The National Girl Child Day. The National Girl Child Day is celebrated in India every year on January 24th. It was started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and the Government of India in 2008 with the purpose to spread awareness among people about the inequalities girls face in Indian society.
National Girl Child Day focuses attention on the need to address the challenges girls face and to promote empowerment and the fulfillment of their human rights, and also to ensure that all girls have access to quality education and a dignified life. In most parts of a country, there are several instances when the girl child is prevented from being born, and even if she manages to survive, there are several barriers that block her life to a path of equal opportunities. The human life on the earth is impossible without the equal participation of both women and men. They are liable for the development and growth of a nation. However, the existence of women are far more important than men. So, to prevent human extinction, we need to save girl child. It is rightly said, no girl, no mother, no life.
Education saves and improves the lives of girls and women, ultimately leading to more equitable development, stronger families, better services, better child health. A woman plays a very important role in making good citizens. She was the pillar of her family before independence. No emphasis was given to women education. They used to remain in the four walls of the house. Their work duty was to do household work. Nowadays, women all over the world are educated in every field. They work in banks, railways, education departments, police and many more. Women can supplement the income of the family by taking up a job, thus providing a better standard of living for her children and husband. A famous saying goes by, when you educate a man, you educate one person. But when you educate a woman, you educate the whole family. Women education is very important because she is the first teacher of her child. So we encourage women education.
Girls play multiple roles in household and society. They go to school, help with housework, make friends and care for elder and younger family members. Through education, they can lead a healthy life. A girl child has many rights like right to life, right to health, right to protection and right to education.
I would like to begin with a quote by Michelle Obama. When girls are educated, the countries become stronger and more prosperous. National Girl Child Day was first initiated in 2008 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and is celebrated every year on 24th January. The main objectives behind it are to highlight and remove all the inequalities faced by girls, to promote awareness regarding the rights of a girl child and to ensure that the girl child should get all their human rights, respect and value in the country. The importance of education, health and nutrition to increase the consciousness of the people and offer new opportunities to the girl child in the society and to work regarding gender discrimination. National Girl Child Day is celebrated by organizing various events, campaigns and advertisements in the media all across to spread awareness in the society to treat girl children equally and educate them. The Indian government has also launched a scheme, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Therefore, every child in the country, be it a boy or a girl, is important and are the future of the country. Girls should be treated equally and should get all the opportunities in our society for the welfare of the nation as a whole.
The girl child is an important pillar of a developed society. The rights, roles and responsibilities of a girl child in the development of a country is of high importance. Saving the girl child is to save the existence of human on this planet Earth. If the practice of aborting girl child continues to exist, human race will become extinct on Earth. Girls have shown their extraordinary performance in all fields and have proven themselves that they are no less than boys. Despite being a part of a progressive society, the stigma of discrimination between a girl and a boy has not been eradicated completely. Our nation takes a pride in remembering Kittur Rani Channamma, Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmibai, Savitribai Phule, Kalpana Chawla, Indira Gandhi, and a living example is Mary Kom and many others. We need a mother, right? We need a sister. We need a wife. But why not a daughter? She lights a lamp of happiness into lives. Let's allow her to grow and live. Respect the girl child.
Dear Diary, today something interesting happened at the hospital. As usual, I was with my patients. One of them was an old man who had married twice. His first wife had 6 abortions because she had a female fetus in her womb every time. One day, to escape from her husband's torture and to save her child from female feticide, she ran away from her home. Later on, to give her daughter a better future, she sent her to the orphanage as she was too weak to take care of her daughter. Then this man, who got married again, was happy to have 2 sons. But unfortunately, his children did not take care of him in his old age. You might be wondering why I am telling you all this. It's because I am the same girl who was sent to the orphanage for a better future. Today, I met my father, but I did not reveal my identity to him. After seeing me, he told, "I too have a daughter of your age, but I don't know about her whereabouts. I regret for not giving her what she deserved." When I saw my father in tears, I consoled him. I know you made a big mistake, but make sure that the people around you don't do the same thing to their daughters. Daughters are not burden to their families. They are equal to 10 sons. It is just that the family fails to notice it. Dr. Sakshi.
ಸಲಹುವ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಬೇಕು. ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ಸಕ್ಕರೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿಯರು ಬೇಕು. ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿಯೇ ಗೆಳತಿಯರು ಬೇಕು. ಮಗಳಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಏಕೆ ವ್ಯಥ ಪಡಬೇಕು? ಹೆಣ್ಣೊಂದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಹುಣ್ಣು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಂದು ಜರಿಯುವ ಜನರೇ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸಾಲದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನೀಡಿದ ಕೊಡುಗೆ. ನಡೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಅವಳ ಗುರಿಯೆಡೆಗೆ. ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆ ಒಲೆಯಿಂದ ಖಗೋಳ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದವರೆಗೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ನೃತ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಸಮರ ಕಲೆಗಳವರೆಗೆ, ರಾಜಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಯವರೆಗೆ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಥಳು ಹೆಣ್ಣು. ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣದ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆಯ ಶೋಷಣೆಗೆ ಬಲಿ ಅವಳ ಬದುಕು. ಭಯ ಕವಿದ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಯೂ ಬೇಕು. ಪುಷ್ಟಿಕರ ಆಹಾರ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಪರಿಸರ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಘನತೆಯ ಬಾಳು ಅವಳ ಅಧಿಕಾರ. ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮರ ಕೇಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆಳೆಯರ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಗಂಡಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮವೆಂದು ಸಾರಿ, ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಬೆಳಕಿಂದ ಅವಳ ಬಾಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿ, ಅವಕಾಶಗಳ ನೀಡಿ ಅವಳ ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸಿ.